art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Team CoolKidd from Roblox, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started with closing off the top of the torso. So we're going to draw in a straight line from left to right. And now from here we're going to frame in the head. So we're going to round out the corner, bringing this up towards the top. We're going to step across on the right hand side and just replicate that, ending that at the same height. Let's close off the top of the head now. So we're going to round out the edge, curving this over and then down on the right hand side. From the center, moving across on the left hand side, let's draw in a nice big oval. And then we're going to do the same on the right hand side as well. And we're going to color in those eyes black. Now underneath for the smile, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line from left to right. Let's continue to close off the body. So we're going to round out that edge, curving this around and then bringing that down towards the bottom. We're going to replicate that on the right. And then on the bottom again, rounding out that edge, flattening that out, bringing that in towards the middle. And then again, replicating that on the right, blending that back in together. Now, right in the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down towards the bottom. We're going to round out that corner of the leg, rounding that out, bringing that down towards the bottom. We're going to do the same thing on the right, rounding out that edge, bringing that down towards the bottom. And then we're going to close that off with a straight line all the way through. Now let's draw on the arm. So on the left hand side, we're going to round out that corner, bringing that over towards the side. We're going to do the same thing on the right. Now from here, let's flatten that line out. So again, rounding out that edge, bringing that down towards the bottom. Now on the bottom, we're going to round out that edge, bringing that over. And now we're going to write in Team CoolKidd across the body. So we're going to start with the letter T on the left. Beside that, let's draw in the letter E. Coming over, let's draw in the letter A. And then we're going to draw in the letter M. Now we're going to draw in the letter C. We're going to draw in two nice big ovals beside that. And then the letter L. Let's draw in the letter K, the letter I, and then we're going to draw in two letter Ds. Let's come down, writing in the letter J, the letter O, the letter I, the letter N, and then the letter T, the letter O again, the letter D, the letter A, and then the letter Y. And that is it. That's how you draw Team CoolKidd from Roblox. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.